you say the focus is all about saving money. I know this is what you're trying to do with some of these new products that you've introduced. So let's have a look at some of these.
Let me just take a second and introduce them for you, all right? As you well know, our specialty is cleaning on the benchtop, cleaning during rework and repair.
Right.
And for many, many years, we've sold a product that looks just like this. Little trigger grip, little aerosol can, and it works great.
Yeah.
But our customers said, wow, we're buying lots of aerosol cans. What can you do to help eliminate the cans that are being thrown in the trash and just be more efficient?
Right.
So now we're introducing this show, a jumbo size can. And here are 3 examples, our 3 best-selling products. Probably 80% of our customers will be able to switch to these. Mm-hmm. They're going to get 30% more solvent for about 15% more money. Okay. So that should be a pretty significant savings, on a cost per board basis.
Right. So 30% more product, 15% more cost. Wow, that's a good deal.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
Now here's something else we're doing that's kind of fun. For years, we've sold a product called the Tidy Pen for removing labels and tapes and adhesives and things that are sticky.
Right.
People say, that's nice, but I've got fluxes I need to remove. And the Tidy Pen doesn't work great on fluxes.
Well, that's right, especially with lead-free and the higher reflow temperatures, etc.
The technology has changed.
Yeah.
So what we have done is perfected 3 of our best-selling formulas and adapted them into the pen format. So now if you just want to do a tiny little touch-up right on one spot of a board or around a chip, you can do it for a no-clean, for an OA water-soluble, or for our standard rosin or synthetic flux.
That's a great idea.
Big time saver and incredibly convenient.
Okay.
But that's not the big news.
Okay.
The product that has surprised all of us, and there's nothing more fun than a product that surprises you,
right,
is this little guy. All right? A lot of people need to clean mats and workbenches and remove the grime that stops them from being conductive and static dissipative.
Yep.
And we didn't see a good product out there that did that. So we have perfected a new chemistry and we've put it in our pre-saturated white package, just like that. And you pull it out and you clean the tool or you clean the mat or whatever it is, and it works great. And we introduced this right after the show in Munich, and we have sold a couple thousand tubs of this already.
Wow.
And it also comes with refills, which saves you another 30%. So I don't want to sound like I'm advertising, but
so if you buy one, you get one free?
No. when you use this one up, don't throw the tub away, which saves waste going into the landfills and all that stuff. So it's a great time to be at MicroCare. We're thrilled with the economy, we're thrilled with our industry, and I think these products are good, simple, but very, very needed answers.
Right. No, you're absolutely right. It's a really exciting time to be in this industry generally.
It is. Yes, it is, sir.
So great to see new products. Great to see the growth continuing, Mike.
Absolutely. And we will see you in Nuremberg.
Absolutely. Thank you very much.
Take care, Trevor. Nice to see you.